First of all, I would suggest you to try restarting your network adapters. How can we do that? First of all, open your Windows search and type in Control Panel, and then open this app here. Should look something like this. Click on the top right corner to view by category if it does not look like this, but then just click on Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. And then on the left hand side we can see 4 different links. We need to click on the second one, Change Adapter Settings, and then the Network Connections window should open, where we can see our network adapters. In my case, I'm using Ethernet, but doesn't matter if you're using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Just right click on your network adapter and click on Disable. In order to do that, you need to have administrator rights, just to note that. And then on the bottom right corner, we can see that our internet access is not there anymore. Perfect. And then after we've waited a few seconds, we can already enable it again. So right click and enable. This process might take a few seconds, so just until it just re-identifies and reconnects to the network again. So don't worry. Perfect, internet access is back. We can already close the network connections window. And back in the Network and Sharing Center, I click on this link here at Connections. Again, doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and then click on Properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4, and again click on Properties. And in here, make sure to down here use the following DNS server addresses instead of obtain DNS server address automatically. And then for the preferred DNS server, type in 4 times the 8, and for alternate DNS server, 2 times the 8 and 2 times the 4. Gonna also just quickly pause this video to just type these digits in. And then when you've correctly typed those in, click on OK, click on Close, and click on Close. And that's already it. That's how we can fix connection and server issues in League of Legends. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left or something did not work, just let me know in the comment section below. Then I will write you back as soon as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.